Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Education Demystified. Today I am going to discuss about difference between 8085 and 8086 microprocessor. So first difference, 8085 is a 8-bit microprocessor. Considering the size of the microprocessor, 8085 is a 8-bit microprocessor, whereas 8086 is a 16-bit microprocessor. Second difference, 8085 has 16-bit address bus, whereas 8086 has 20-bit address bus. Third one, 8085 has 8-bit data bus, whereas 8086 has 16-bit data bus. Fourth one, 8085 does not have an instruction queue, whereas 8086 has instruction queue. Fifth difference, 8085 does not support pipelined architecture, whereas 8086 support pipelined architecture, as it has two independent units, execution unit EU and bus interface unit BIU. Sixth difference, 8085 can access up to 2 to the power 16 equal to 64 KB of memory, whereas 8086 can access up to 2 to the power 20 equal to 1 MB of memory. Seventh one, 8085 does not support multiprocessing, whereas 8086 support multiprocessing. Eighth one, 8085 can address 2 to the power 8 equal to 256 IOs, whereas 8086 can access 2 to the power 16 equal to 65536 IOs. Ninth difference, 8085 does not support multiplication and division, but 8086 supports multiplication and division. If we consider arithmetic support, 8085 only supports integer and decimal, whereas 8086 supports integer, decimal and ASCII arithmetic. 11th one, 8085 requires less external hardware, whereas 8086 requires more external hardware. 12th difference, if we consider the modes of the operation, then 8085 supports only single operating mode, whereas 8086 operates in two modes, minimum mode and maximum mode. Minimum mode equal to single CPU processor and maximum mode equal to multiple CPU processor. 13th one, cost of the 8085 microprocessor is low, whereas cost of the 8086 microprocessor is high. Now, 14th difference, in case of 8085 microprocessor, memory space is not segmented, means 8085 does not support memory segmentation, whereas in the case of 8086 microprocessor, memory space is segmented. Next one, in 8085 only one processor is used, but in 8086 more than one processor is used. Additional external processor can also be employed. 16th one, 8085 microprocessor is accumulator based processor, whereas 8086 is general purpose register based processor. Now 17th difference, 8085 microprocessor has less number of transistors compared to 8086 microprocessor, whereas 8086 microprocessor has more number of transistors compared to 8085 microprocessor. Next difference, the operating frequency of 8085 microprocessor is 3 MHz, whereas the operating frequency of 8086 microprocessor is 5 MHz. 19th one, 8085 microprocessor operates on clock cycle with 50% duty cycle, whereas 8086 microprocessor it operates on clock cycle with 33% duty cycle. Last one, 8085 microprocessor has 5 flags: sign flag, zero flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag and carry flag. But 8086 microprocessor has 9 flags: overflow flag, direction flag, interrupt flag, trap flag, sign flag, zero flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag and carry flag. So these are the differences between 8085 and 8086. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for further video updates.